GCSE Maths 3D trigonometry question under 90 seconds. Let's go. So ABCDEF is a triangular prism. AB is 18 centimeters, so this is 18. And then BC is 22, so this is 22. BC is 22. And angle BFC, so BFC is 70 degrees. So this angle would be 70 degrees. And then we have to work out the length of AF, giving the answer to one decimal place. We have to work out what AF is. So if I draw a straight line from A to F, we have to work out this particular line's length. In order to find out AF, first I'll just draw a diagonal line from A to C. And if you see, AFC triangle is just a right angle triangle. And if somehow I know the value of AC and the value of FC, I can use a Pythagoras theorem to work out the value of FA. Now, in order to work out the value of the line AC, I know triangle ABC is just a right angle triangle because the base is a rectangle, and rectangles, all angles are right angles. So this ABC triangle in the base is just a right angle triangle. So I'll just use Pythagoras theorem. So it will just be C squared equals to 18 squared plus 22 squared. So I'll take root on both sides to work out the value of C, and C would just be square root of 18 squared plus 22 squared, which is just 28.43. So this AC is just 28.43. So I've drawn the triangle AFC outside just to visualize, and so far we know the base. We just need the value of FC, and once we get that, we can still use Pythagoras theorem to find out AF, which is exactly the requirement of the question. So in order to find out FC, we will use the triangle FCB. And if I, for visualization, I've drawn BCF triangle outside as well, and we know this angle is 70, and we know the opposite is 22, and we're finding FC, which is the adjacent. Because we're finding adjacent, when we know the opposite, we'll use tan. So tan 70 is equal to opposite, which is 22, over adjacent, which is x, which is fx we're finding. So we can just switch x and tan 70. So x would just be 22 over tan 70. Now 22 over tan 70 is just 8.01, which literally means that FC is 8.01. That means here we'll just write 8.01, and now we have everything. We have AC and FC as well, and we can just use Pythagoras theorem to find out what AF is. So in order to find out what AF is, we can just do AF squared equals to 28.43 squared add 8.01 squared. So if we take a square root on both sides, it would just be square cancels the root. So AF would just be square root of this, and square root of this whole thing is 29.53, and we have to write our answer to one decimal place, so it would just be 29.5 centimeter. DM 3D, and I'll share 5 more practice questions with you.